In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly to your Google Calendar. Whether you're managing work meetings or personal appointments, integrating these two can streamline your scheduling process and keep everything organized in one central location. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Calendly website. Simply open up your web browser and type in calendly.com to get started. Once you've landed on the main Calendly page, you'll see a login option at the top right of the screen. Go ahead and click on Log In. Now, you're at the login page. Here, you have a few options for logging in, but to make this process as seamless as possible, we're going to click on Continue with Google. This option is fantastic for keeping everything synced without having to remember additional passwords. After clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. If you have multiple Google accounts, choose the one you want to connect to Calendly. Simply click on the account of your choice, and you'll be redirected to Calendly's main dashboard. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the Integrations section. Look for the option labeled Integrations and Apps, which is usually found in the Settings or Menu area of your dashboard. Click on it to open a new page that lists all the integration options available. On this new page, you'll see a variety of apps you can integrate with Calendly. For our purposes, locate and click on Google Calendar. This will direct you to the settings needed to connect your Google Calendar to Calendly. Now look for a button that says Connect. Clicking this will initiate the process of connecting your Google Calendar with Calendly. You'll need to authorize the connection by selecting the Google account you wish to use. A pop-up will likely prompt you to log back in or confirm this choice. Once again, select your desired Google account by clicking on it. This step is crucial as it ensures Calendly has permission to access your calendar events and updates them accordingly. After selecting the account, you'll need to click on Continue to finalize and consent to the authorization. Keep in mind that this action allows Calendly to manage your calendar, which includes creating, editing, and deleting events as necessary. Here, you may receive a final prompt to confirm your decision. Simply click Continue once more to solidify the connection. And there you have it. Your Calendly is now connected to your Google Calendar, allowing for seamless scheduling and event management. Remember, you can always return to the integrations page to adjust or disconnect your settings if needed. Thanks for following along and happy scheduling.